Rolling. Take as well. Yeah, is that?
Iced latte time. Shine on! How are we doing, everyone? I'm Niall, one half of the Northern Baristas. What's on the menu time? This time, ice baby. Too cold. Iced latte, baby. So, just like any coffee, starts with the base of espresso. We're using the Northern Baristas way. 18 grams of coffee in. Just double checking, just over, take a bit out. Spot on. Good level firm tan. We're ready to extract. We're looking to get 36 grams out over a time frame of 34 to 38 seconds. While your shot's extracting, follow me around here. I'll tell you what else we're doing. Fill up with lots of ice. Not 2, not 3 cubes. We're going to jam pack it full. And I've preset this one, something I'm going to show you later. Again, not 2 cubes, not 3. I want it packed full. Don't ration that ice. Shot there. We preset the milk just below the rim. And again, just below the rim. This is my favourite part when it comes to an iced latte. It's the pouring of the espresso. I love the colours, I love the way it drops to the bottom, and I love the way it just kind of, oh, you'll see, I'll stop talking. Just look at that. Just love the way it goes to the bottom and kind of floats up. It's really good. We're going to finish that off with a straw, and that looks so inviting. But I'm not done quite yet, because that is a little bit too much milk for me. So I preset another shot, and what I've done, I just made a shorty one here. I'm going to pour that in, and that for me is just a better ratio when it comes to milk and coffee. Again, we're going to finish it off with a straw, and we're going to do a taste test. Oh, that is absolutely delicious. It just reminds me of summer just drinking that. And again, when the ice melts, it's just so refreshing, so cool. Beautiful. Guys, hope you enjoyed the what's on the menu. Make sure you subscribe to the channel if you've not. And drop a comment if you did try this or any more iced coffees that you've tried this summer. Shine a light.